What do you see?
I see a bird.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am sick.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Who are they?
They are my friends.
What do you want?
I want some water.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
What will you eat?
I will eat rice.
May I talk to you?
Yes, of course.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
What is this?
This is a book.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
May I see your bag?
Yes, of course.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is my neighbor.
What are you doing?
I am reading.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.